So now that we have a description of choice with a choice structure, we can now impose restrictions on choice behavior, which is the sort of the parallel to imposing rationality on preferences. And this is what the weak axiom of revealed preference, or warp, is all about. In a nutshell, what warp is saying is that if two commodity bundles, X and Y, are available from a particular budget set and X is chosen, it cannot be the case subsequently that Y be chosen and not X as well if both X and Y are available subsequently. So if X and Y are available from a particular budget set B, so here's B, and we have X and Y. So X and Y are available in B and X is chosen. And you'll note at this stage I do not know whether Y is chosen as well or not. I know nothing about Y. So what warp is saying is that if X and Y are available in a different budget set B prime, so X and Y are available in B prime, if Y is chosen in B prime, then what the weak axiom of revealed preference requires is that X must also be chosen. Y cannot be chosen and X not chosen. Now you'll note here that warp might be met regarding X if X is chosen in B prime, but there could still be a violation of warp if we focus on Y. If Y is not chosen in B the first time, right, we would actually have a violation of warp. And the reason for this is that if Y was chosen in B prime, then it cannot be the case that if X and Y are available in B, X is chosen and not Y. So warp requires here that Y is also chosen in B. Exercise 1C2, page 15, asks you to prove this result. So we can now introduce the concept of a revealed preference relation. If X was chosen when Y was available, so if X and Y are available in a particular budget set and X is chosen, then we say that X has been revealed at least as good as Y, and we write X revealed at least as good as Y. We use the weak preference relation with a little star. Now you'll note here that we say nothing about whether Y is chosen or not. It could or it could not. But if it's not chosen, so if Y was available but Y is not in C of B, then we can say something a little stronger. We say that X has been revealed preferred to Y. The textbook Maskell, Winston, and Green does not use this notation, but we see no reason that we would not be able to write it that way, the strict preference relation with a little star. So we can now restate the weak axiom of revealed preference as follows. The first half of warp says that X must be chosen when Y was available. Well, that's just X being revealed at least as good as Y, right? So warp can be restated. If X is revealed at least as good as Y, it cannot be the case that if X and Y are available in a different budget set, it cannot be the case that Y be chosen and not X. Well, what would it mean for Y to be chosen and not X? We would have Y revealed preferred to X, right? So we cannot have Y revealed preferred to X. To X. This is the restatement of warp on page 11. With this terminology, we can restate the weak axiom as follows. If X is revealed at least as good as Y, then Y cannot be revealed preferred to X.